Welcome back to Living 757. Patricia, of course, we love and we care for our senior citizens, from our parents to aunts and uncles, of course. And of
Mhm.
course, there's an understanding that there's probably more days behind them than there are in front of them. So for many, Medicare availability is their primary focus. So here with some important information about this, we got Rick Gordon. Welcome to Living 757. Rick, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming on, my man. So let's, just jump right into it. So it's time. It's time for the Medicare annual enrollment period. What does that mean for seniors?
Yeah, it's an important time of year for all seniors, especially those who rely on Medicare to get their health insurance coverage. Between October 15th and December 7th every year, seniors have an opportunity to evaluate their options and make a selection for new Medicare coverage or Medicare insurance coverage beginning in the new year.
Ah, okay.
Rick, also sometimes can be confused for so many different types. What are the different types of Medicare available to seniors?
Sure. So most individuals are familiar with three main ways of accessing Medicare. There's traditional Medicare. It's the red, white, and blue Medicare card that most are familiar with. That covers most hospitalizations and most doctor's visits, but it doesn't provide complete coverage. So what many beneficiaries do, or many seniors do, is they add on a Medicare supplemental plan where someone may pay a monthly premium to get additional coverage to fill in some of the gaps where traditional Medicare doesn't cover. Or the third and a very popular way is through Medicare Advantage, where you typically pay a $0 premium. You
Mhm.
get coverage for your hospitalization, your doctor's visits, and your prescription drug coverage all in one easy to use plan, sometimes referred to as Part C.
Part
Yes.
C. Got you. So why should someone consider the Medicare Advantage plan with Optima Health?
Yeah, so I mean, it's a good question. Ours is again an easy to use health plan. It includes all of your health insurance coverage in one easy to use plan. It'll cover your hospitalization, your doctor's visits, your prescription drug coverage. Most of our plans have a $0 monthly premium. I know that's obviously a big concern for especially seniors living on a fixed income. And plus, with Optima, you get a lot of extras, which adds even more value.
Mm,
I like
value is
that. Speaking
important.
of extras, what do Optima Medicare plans include? What is new for this year?
Yeah, we're excited this year. We've got a couple of new benefits. We've got a grocery card allowance that's available to many of our beneficiaries. We have a silver sneakers gym benefit. We have an insulin savings program. The list goes on. We've got dental allowances, hearing aid allowances, transportation to doctors' visits, and some other local locations, meal deliveries after hospitalizations. Lots of good things for beneficiaries to consider as they're evaluating their options for the upcoming year.
Very
Got you.
important. You mentioned transport and all other stuff, very important for our seniors.
It
Mhm.
is. It's terribly, it can be terribly concerning for some individuals being able to get to their doctor's appointments. So we take that concern away and we provide that transportation for many of our members if they need a lift to or from their doctor's appointments or some other locations around town, perhaps even to pick up a prescription.
Mhm.
Got you, got you. Now we've talked a lot about all the different options and the different choices. But what about the resources? What resources are out there for those who need the help understanding and actually enrolling in Medicare?
Yeah, sure. So I encourage all Medicare beneficiaries this time of year to go out to the Medicare.gov website and take a look at the Medicare Plan Finder. They can plug in their zip code and they can find options available in their particular neighborhood. But if someone's interested in learning more about an Optima Medicare product, I would encourage them to go out to our website, optimamedicare.com/VA, or give one of our licensed health plan advisors a call today at 833-351-0475. They're available 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and they'll help individuals navigate their options.
And I appreciate that little clip, Patricia. I don't know if y'all saw. I look like that's what I'm gonna look like when I get older.
We all gonna look like that.
Love and life, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. Well, thank you so much for your time. What a great information. We encourage everyone to go and check your website and look for more information there. Thank you.
Thanks so much for having me.